Good morning, ladies, and welcome to Shama online cooking class. And today we are making potato roasties. As we know that warm days are started now, and everyone wants to come out early from the kitchen. We don't want to stay longer in the kitchen with very small ingredients. Like amount is very small, very less ingredients, and smart recipe. It's not taking too longer in the kitchen, and you will come out quickly, and it is very easy and healthy as well, and definitely 100% your children and your family will love this. So let's start with potato roasting. I have here small medium small and medium potatoes. I have taken here 4. If you have a big potatoes, then you can take a 3. With that, I have 1.5 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1.5 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. This will give binding and this will give crispiness. 1 big onion or 2 medium onion is chopped here. 2 tablespoon of chopped chives. Salt according to taste. And to give a color and again spiciness to our recipe, I'm using here chili flakes. Basically, black pepper powder or corn crushed is used in potato roasty, and it is not, again, some people are not using onion, chives. I have modified it by my family taste, so I'm making this for you. Hope all you love. So let's start with the shredding our potatoes. First I'm shredding all these potatoes, and then we are going to add whole ingredients. So let's start with the shredding. So here our potato is ready to go in a bowl. First I'm switching on flame, and I'm keeping here our roasting tawa and sprinkling some oil. So now let's mix all ingredients. First going with the potato. Some people are squeezing excess water of potato, but we are not squeezing anything. We want everything from the potato. As we all know, the potato contains vitamin C, potassium, fibers, and it is binding with every recipes, and all age, all category of the people love potato. Potato is easily mixed with any recipes, and it is loved by all age, from children to old people. Here I have added onion in our flour, potato, and then 2 tablespoons of our chopped chives. This again giving taste and color as well. Salt according to the taste. And 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. This will give color and spice as well. And if you don't want to use chili flakes, you can omit and you can add black pepper powder. Now it's time to mix very well. Meanwhile, I'm keeping this on a medium flame. So here I'm not using any spatula or spoon to place this mixture in a pan. I'm using my palm, and with your palm take it mixture in your palm like this and spread it. Use your palm so you can give even shape to your roast cake. And we are cooking this roasty for 5 minutes on medium to low flame, both the sides, 5 minutes each. It is taking time to cook, but it's definitely 100% crispy, yummy, tasty and tempting. After 1 minute, let's check about the edges. You can see edges till it requires some oil. So I'm spraying some oil to the edges and on the top of the potato, so oil will help our roasty to cook nicely. And let's check whether our base is crisp. Yes, it is. Now I'm flipping this, and again sprinkle some oil to the side and on the top, and cover it, and again we will cook it. Our rosti is ready to serve. It's nice and golden pink both the sides. You can see here. Now I'm following the same procedure with the next rosti as well. Taking this out in a dish, and it's time to serve. Here our potato rosti is ready to serve. I have served here with the garlic dip and with some grapes because I love to eat salty and sweet with my food. Enjoy. Let's move towards our second recipe, and it is watermelon smoothie. I want to make watermelon and cucumber smoothie. So Nishi said that, Mom, I want to drink only and only watermelon smoothie. So instead of cucumber here, I'm using only watermelon. But a smoothie, you can add any kind of the ingredients with the banana smoothies, with the oat, chocolate. Sometimes children don't like if you are serving them plain. So children love always chocolate. So you can serve with the chocolate smoothie. Varieties of smoothies are there. But here we are going with the watermelon. And watermelon, can see here, this is nice even. So this is sweet. How to choose your watermelon? First check it like this. If it's heavy and it's not watery inside, so it means that it is nice. And how can see that it's sweet? Can you see here small yellow dot? So it means that this watermelon is sweetened. And again, if it's dark and shiny, then it is bit raw. But if it's very dark all the way from everywhere and it's not shining too much, so it means it's ripe and ready to eat. So let's cut our watermelon. Here we have 600 gram of watermelon, and I'm going to add this all cubes in our mixture grinder. With that, I'm using 10 to 15 ice cubes. Six homegrown fresh mint leaves. 1/4 cup of sugar. You can avoid sugar if you don't like. And half a teaspoon of black salt. This will improve your digestion and taste as well. Now I'm going to grind it in our mixture juices to make nice smoothie. So here a watermelon smoothie is ready to serve, and I'm not going to strain this. If you want to make a juice or the punch, then you have to strain, but with the smoothie we are not straining it, we are serving it straight. First I'm shaking it with a spoon or a spatula. Now it's time to serve. Watermelon keeps you hydrated during the summertime and give you full of vitamin C to your body, provides many health benefits. So hope you all enjoy very simple and sweet recipe. Our both recipes are ready here. Hope you guys all have enjoyed, and see you all next week. Till have a good week and weekend. Thank you. Bye.